Hello guys, hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? It's your girl Queen in the building, and I'm back again with another video. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making noodles. So yeah, I have my veggies, my carrot, my tomatoes, pepper, onions, and my noodles. This is a quick Indomie, to feast. So I have my eggs, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be preparing it. So first I boil my noodles, for 3 minutes for it to be cooked. So I put my oil on the fire to fry my veggies. So guys, so I'm going to leave you guys for you to enjoy this video. To my subscribers, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, you are all welcome. I love you guys. Don't forget to keep coming to this channel and always commenting on my videos. Thank you guys. I love you for always supporting me. May God bless you. Bye.